What's up guys, Pete Coolis here, hope all is well. So this is going to be a really cool video, and be sure to stay tuned all the way through because I have a special surprise for you at the end. So in this video, I'm going to be covering a simple funnel that I like to use for my Amazon products. Piggybacking off of my previous video where I explained to you what a funnel is, what Clickfunnels is as a software, which is what you're looking at right here. This video is going to be a little more in-depth. I'm going to actually show you inside a funnel, and believe it or not, I am actually going to give you this funnel for free. That's right. There will be a link in the description where you can one-click share this funnel to your Clickfunnels account. The only catch is, of course, that you have to have a Clickfunnels account, and I also have a link to sign up for Clickfunnels. You can get a 14-day free trial. So let's go ahead and get into what this funnel is. So I laid out many different types of funnels that you could run for your Amazon products, many different offers you could promote in your funnels for your Amazon products. I'm going to just simplify it and give you the number one funnel that I believe all Amazon businesses need. This comes as absolutely no surprise. This is an extremely simple 2-page funnel. As you can see, opt-in and thank you. So what exactly is this? This is exactly what it says. It's an opt-in funnel. This funnel is meant to capture customers' email addresses, their name and email, and get them on a list. What do I always preach? The number one most important thing that you guys can be doing for your Amazon brands is building your own list, building your own assets. And as much as I love Facebook Messenger, as much as I love ManyChat, the only true digital lists that are yours, like just 100% yours, are going to be an email list. Why is that? Because it's not tied down to any platform. With Messenger, we're sort of at Facebook's mercy. With Amazon, we're sort of at Amazon's mercy. With our own email list on whatever autoresponder you choose to use, I'll get into that later, they are your customers, right? You can literally download a CSV file of the customers that you have, their names, email addresses, all that stuff, and they are yours. That's why I preach that Messenger is amazing, but please don't completely forget about email, because email still gives you the most control. Hope that makes sense. Now let's get into this funnel. So as you can see, guys, these are just simply 2 pages, an opt-in form and a thank you page. Let's go to the opt-in form and see what we're working with. So this is a VIP club template. What this is you get a person to sign up to your email list, aka VIP club, in exchange for offering them something, whether that be content in the form of tips. In this case, we have Best Kitchen Brand. That's the name of our brand, and we're going to offer them cooking tips, information on new product launches, exclusive discount opportunities. How this funnel is constructed is the person enters their first name here, they enter their email address here, they click this button, and they are then automatically on your list. Now, I'm not going to get into all the specifics on how exactly to set all this up because I'm one click sharing this entire thing with you guys, and you can figure it out on your own, okay? This is not going to be a ClickFunnels tutorial per se. What I suggest is you get ClickFunnels and you spend a week or two just learning all the ins and outs of ClickFunnels. It's actually extremely user-friendly. Everything is drag and drop. You do not have to know how to code. You don't have to know how to do anything. You just have to know how to drag and drop, move pieces around, and input certain images and whatnot. It's very simple. So as you can see, we're also offering a 20% off coupon on the next page to sort of get that, incentivize them to put in that name and that email address. This can be modified to fit whatever given scenario you find yourself in. So this would be a great funnel to use if you already have a product for sale on Amazon. Let's say you don't have a product for sale on Amazon. How would you sort of tailor this and change it? Well, instead of offering this 20% off coupon code, what I would do is sort of reword this as to say this is a brand new product's waiting list. Having a waiting list is a great way to generate hype, and it's a great way to generate email subscribers before you even launch your product, meaning you can have a few hundred people on your email list before you even release your product on Amazon, which gives you a big leg up and a much easier time when it comes to launching that product. Let's go ahead and check out the thank you page. So here is the thank you page. Very simple. Congrats. Thank you for joining. Here is your private 20% off coupon code. Important. Coupon expires in 7 days. Now the coupon actually does not expire in 7 days. That's something I like to put there just to add a little bit of scarcity. And that's a link right there to Amazon, to your Amazon product. But as far as the coupon code goes, what type of code do you want to be creating in this situation? I would do a group coupon code, meaning there's only one coupon code, and that would be that right there. It's not a single use coupon code where every single customer gets a different code. This is a group coupon code, meaning there's just one universal code. And the reason I don't feel any risk in doing that is because it's a 20% off discount. If we're doing something like 80 or 90%, I'm definitely going to make a single use coupon code, but that requires a little more nuance in terms of navigating it in the funnel, making sure everyone gets their own unique code. You need a software to pull that off. This is simple, 20% off. The top 3 ways that I would word this funnel depending on where you are in your business. Number 1, if you're already selling a product or multiple products, I would leave it similar to this where you're offering them a coupon discount. If you have yet to launch your first product, I would word it as a waiting list. Build hype, generate email subscribers before you even launch your product, putting yourself way ahead of the curve. If you use package inserts, you can also use a variation, a different spin on this type of funnel where you get the person to opt in exchange for, let's say, a 1-year warranty. So there's many different ways you can spin it, many different incentives that you can offer your customers in order to get them to enter their information. And you can use your imagination and be creative with it. There's no cookie cutter, one size fits all formula. Now I want to take this one step further now, because I know what some of you are probably thinking. Well, Pete, why can't I just create a simple opt-in form using a software? Doesn't cost $100 a month. Well, you could. In fact, MailChimp, Aweber, all these different types of email autoresponders usually have some sort of opt-in form that you can create. Problem is you don't have near the customization ability as far as the thank you page goes with all these links and all these buttons, and it's much harder to pull that off when you're just using the default opt-in forms on those different email service providers. That's number 1. Number 2 is from a tracking perspective. One of the most important things beside actually capturing that customer's name and email is their Facebook pixel information. Facebook ads is probably the single best way that I use to scale my Amazon products, to launch rank Amazon products. Absolutely no question there. What is one of the most important parts of running successful Facebook ads? It is the pixel tracking data of your customers. With Clickfunnels, everything is so customizable. Everything is so conducive to marketing. That's why we like this tool so much. I'm going to go ahead and take this a step further and show you. So this is a Facebook pixel for Cool Products, which is my Amazon agency. As you can see, it gets all these fires or this information. So these are page views, leads, add to carts, purchases, you name it. This is exactly how the Facebook pixel works. So these are 715 fires or events, if you will, over the last 7 days. This is exactly what we want to put on our Clickfunnels page, because as soon as somebody lands on this page right here, they are going to now be pixeled by your Facebook, and you will be able to target them directly on Facebook with an ad at a later date. And I'm here to tell you that targeting, or as it's known as retargeting, your existing customers with ads is the single most high ROI, return on investment form of advertising that you can possibly run. So how exactly do we set this up to make sure that the Facebook pixel and the Clickfunnels pages are connected? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. So here we go inside of our pixels. We're just in my Facebook Business Manager, and this is one of the ad accounts, and this is one of the pixels. All we have to do at this point is go to the details button right here. Okay, and this brings us to this page right here, and then all we have to do is come over to setup, install pixel, manually add pixel code to website. Okay, and this right here, this code that you see right here, I know it looks intimidating and you have no idea what it means. Don't worry. Okay, you don't have to know how to code to make this work. All you have to do is click copy to clipboard, come back over to Clickfunnels. We want to hit edit page, and we want to come over here to settings, tracking code. And for our header tracking code, we just simply hit Control V, which is paste, or Command V if you're on a Mac. Boom, that's our Facebook code. That's step 1. Out of all this confusing looking code, don't worry, I don't really know what it means either. The one thing you need to pay attention to is this line right here, track page view. So remember back here, page view, lead, add to cart, purchase, view content. These are all different conversion events is what Facebook calls them. So these are all different forms of conversion, whether it be a page view, a lead is somebody who gives you their email address, a purchase, and add to cart. That's all pretty self-explanatory. This is exactly what you want to do. Pay attention to this right here. Page views is perfectly fine for the first page because that's what they're doing. They're just viewing this page. What do we want to put on the thank you page to track if they are a lead or not? Well, I just gave you the answer. It's lead. Okay, for this scenario, we want to track leads because we're not offering anything for sale on this funnel. All we're getting from the customer is their email address, aka lead. So let's go ahead and save this. Always want to make sure you save, right? Go back, come back to the thank you page, edit page, and now we're going to go into settings again, tracking code, and we're going to paste that very same code that we pasted on the first page. The only difference is we need that FBQ track line to say lead instead of page view. Come over here, delete this. Make sure you keep all the brackets and everything the same. Lead. That's it. We are now properly tracking our customers with our Facebook pixel. There are other tracking codes you can add to this. We're not going to get into that in this video, such as your Google tracking, your Google Analytics, all this kind of stuff, but we're not going to worry about that for now. Facebook is the number one most important that you need to be tracking for your Amazon business. So that is why we do that. There you have it, guys. That's exactly how I would go out there and set this up. You're going to be off to the races. You're going to be ahead of a lot of other people in your same shoes. Best places to go ahead and place this funnel or this web page would be a URL on your product insert, your Instagram bio, your Facebook page, your YouTube channel, every single outlet that you use for your brand. Just go ahead and throw this page up there and you will get subscribers to your brand day in and day out without even having to think about it. So I hope you found this video really useful. This funnel can be one click shared to your account in the description below. You will also have to sign up for Clickfunnels, which is also going to be in the description below, a 14-day free trial, so you can actually try this out. If you already have a product selling or you're about to launch a new product, you can try this out, see if you have any luck. If not, you can just go ahead and cancel. If you do, then you can stay on board. That's what I would go ahead and recommend that you do. One last thing I want to end with is I have some very cool updates happening soon to my free Amazon course. You definitely want to get into that free Amazon course if you have not already. That's also going to be in the description. I have some great update videos coming. Stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys later.